So, what are the advantages of downsizing? There are so many good points. Number one, reduce maintenance costs. If you've lived in your home for 30, 40 years, chances are there's a lot of things that you need to change out, whether it's updating, new fixtures, toilets always breaking down, and also you probably only use a portion of your home. So if you are looking at, a 3 to 5 bedroom home, chances are you're only using 1 or 2 bedrooms out of the entire home. Another great factor is lowered expenses. So utilities, property taxes, when you downsize, typically your property taxes are much lower, as well as utility costs, because we're not heating up an entire home, we're not powering up an entire home. We're typically looking at a much smaller 1 or 2 bedroom space, right? So the cost of maintaining that, or the utility costs would be a lot lower, and property taxes as well, a lot lower. Number three is decluttering and simplifying your life. Moving to a smaller space prompts you to declutter and remove all those unwanted, unneeded items that you've been keeping for many years and probably forgot about it. So, eliminating that will lead to a more organized and stress free living. Number four is increased financial freedom. We've worked all our lives to be able to have this freedom. Now, once you get there, a lot of people go, oh, shoot, like, what do I do so that I can get to that financial freedom, stress free life, and just be much happier? Well, selling your big home and moving into a smaller space, you're going to have that big nest egg so that you can spend it on things that you like or people that you love, and the ability to do the hobbies that you've always wanted to do, or even travel. So that increased financial freedom is definitely a great advantage. Number five, enhanced mobility and flexibility. With a smaller space, it's and less things, it's much easier to move from one place to another if you wanted to, right? When it's a big house, that downsizing kind of makes you a little trapped because you're going, well, I have all this stuff, I don't want to go through it all. It's too much work. That's okay. I'll just stay put. That's kind of being trapped in your home, right? Number six, improve quality of life. With fewer responsibilities and financial burdens, downsizing enhances overall well-being, allowing more time and energy for things that you like to do, for leisurely activities and socializing. Number seven, accessibility and convenience. A lot of people go from either a bungalow or 2-story down to just one floor, right? In a apartment condo, we only have one floor. We have an elevator. Obviously, we have stairs for emergencies, but a lot of times mobility is an issue. And the accessibility of a smaller space is going to be a lot easier and less chance of injuries. Environmental impact. A smaller homes means a smaller environmental footprint and lowering energy consumption, saving you money, saving the environment. Number nine, the stress reduction is going to be worth more than you think. Streamlining processes, simplifying living space, downsizing can reduce stress and anxiety, fostering a more peaceful and harmonious living environment. And number 10, the opportunity to experience new experiences, new adventures, and Downsizing can mark the beginning of this new chapter of your life. So are you ready? If so, make sure you give me a call so that we can create a customized plan that works for you with the timeline that works for you and possibly your family. All right. Now, if you'd like to know a little bit more, go to the next video. See you there. Bye.